say you see this battery?
Okay, see, you go get buy power bank for this or car battery.
What see the talk? It makes sense.
Which I be waiting that.
So if your mechanic is telling you that your car needs a power bank, or you just need something that you can use in the gym, then this Oraimo 50000mAh PowerBank will serve you in that regard. I've been using this Oraimo PowerBank for the past 14 days and I can tell you everything about it. Let's get down to business. So let's start off with the price. The price of this Oraimo PowerBox 500 is 36,500 naira, which is equivalent to about $46 as of the time of posting this video. Right now, you can get it cheaper with a 5% discount code, which is right on your screen or down in the description box below. Moving over to the unboxing, I've done the unboxing already, so you can just check up here and see for yourself. But let me just tell you quickly what is inside the box. There are just three things that you are going to find in the box, which are the Oraimo PowerBox 500 itself, followed by the user manual, which is a little bit lengthy, so you can go through that and see how you can charge up your new power bank and also know how to use the torchlight. This I'm going to get to during the video. And last but not least is a short type A to C cable. Don't throw away that cable because it's going to be very useful. When it comes to the build quality, I can say this is 8/10. It comes with this all-round black, made from plastic and also durable. For the past 14 days, this power bank has dropped in my hands once, and also it has gotten some scratches because I'm moving it here and there during my testing. With that being said, it is still working fine and I really like it. And when it comes to the weight, it weighs only 1.1 kg. If I'm to compare this to something that we are all familiar with, I would say it weighs about 3 bottles of apple soft drink. Now, when it comes to the design of this Oraimo PowerBox 500, at the front you are going to see the LED, which is very useful for you in case you want to use it in the night, or maybe there's no light and you just need an emergency light. This is going to serve you. Also, you are going to see the Oraimo branding at the front, and by the side you are going to see the handle that you can use to hold your power bank and move it anywhere you like. This is not common with power bank of this size. I really find this handle very useful to move it all about. While at the top of the power bank, you are going to see 5 ports, 1 LED display and a power button. The 5 ports consist of 2 Anifast outputs, 1 normal output, type C input and output, which you can use for charging the power bank and also charging your devices, and the last but not the least, micro USB in. You can activate the torch by pressing the power button in the middle of this port for 3 seconds and the torch light is going to switch on. At first it's going to be yellow, and if you want to change this yellow torch to white, then you have to press it once and it's going to change it to white. You can also press just once again to increase the intensity and press once again to reduce it back to the yellow color. Now if you want to switch it off, just have to hold it for 3 seconds and the power is going to go off. It's as easy as that. Another use of this power button on the Oraimo PowerBox 500 is that you can use it to change your charging speed of whatever device you are charging. For example, if you are charging a Samsung phone and you want it to just discharge at a low rate, then you can press the power button to change it from fast to normal charging. So when you look closely at this port on the Oraimo PowerBox 500, you are going to see 2 ports with the orange accent. Now, these 2 ports comes with Anifast technology, and for those that don't know what Anifast technology means, this is Oraimo fast charging technology. This basically means that this power bank is going to detect the fast charging protocol of your gadget and it's going to give it the fastest charging speed possible without ruining it within a short period of time. So you don't have to be waiting for so long before you can get your gadget or your smart devices full. Now, if you are using the Anifast technology ports, you are going to get the fastest charging speed possible, whether you are using a small gadget like your smartwatch or earbud, or even you are using a big device like your laptop. You can be rest assured that this Anifast technology is going to boost them up in no time. Now to the testing side and some of the questions that I got from you guys about this power bank. How long does it take to charge up this Oraimo 50000mAh power bank? I would say it depends on the kind of cable you are using and the adapter. For the first time, I would suggest you use NEPA light to charge it. That is your local power grid or power supply to charge it up. Don't use I pass my neighbor generator. Secondly, charge it up to 100% before you start using it. Okay, this is going to help you preserve the battery and let it last for you on the long run. And the third thing is to get a good or original Oraimo cable and adapter. In order not to spend days charging up this Oraimo PowerBox 500, I will recommend you get an original Oraimo Power Nano or original Oraimo Power Cube. These are adapter with 20 watts. Now you should get also the Oraimo braided cable. Using this combo will help you to boost your power bank 1% every 8 minutes. So your power bank is going to get fully charged from 70 to 100% within the space of 4 hours. Now, if you want to charge this power bank from 0 to 100%, it's going to take you 13 hours 21 minutes using this same combo or adapter and the braided cable. Next question, which is, can it charge laptop? Yes, it's going to charge up your laptop if you are using a Type-C PD port kind of laptop. So most current laptop now use Type-C. You can use it and it's going to charge it up. The only issue that I have with this Oraimo 50000mAh power bank is that it charges up my laptop slowly. I'm using MacBook Pro 2017 13 inches. I wish Oraimo made this 45 watts or 65 watts, which would have been better, and is going to charge it up faster. For my testing, I was able to charge up my MacBook Pro for 1 hour and I got 14% increase. So if you are someone that really needs to be online, then this power bank is going to help you. I recommend this for people that are into forex trading, or you are into blogging, or you just need to be online to watch a program or to just be online and do some other stuff. So this is very useful in that regard. Another question is, how many times is it going to charge my phone? It depends on the battery capacity of your phone. Oraimo claims that this power bank can charge up your phone 10 times. During my testing, I'm using a Samsung S10 with 3400 mAh battery capacity, so I was able to get 13 good times from this power bank. There are some factors that you need to consider if you want to use this power bank to charge up your device for this much. The first factor is the cable length. So if you are using a short cable length like the one that came with it, then you are going to be able to boost up your device or your smartphone within a short period of time, and it's going to boost it up faster. Second one is your phone charging protocol. If your phone is using fast charging feature, then it's going to boost it up faster within a short period of time. But if you are not using that fast charging feature, or your phone does not have that fast charging feature, it's going to take a longer time. Though it's going to get it fully charged, but it's just going to take some time. And the third but not the least is the battery capacity of your smartphone. If your smartphone is 5000 mAh, then you should be able to get about 9 to 10 times from this power bank. So with some other factors like the conversion rate, heat, and every other stuff brought into consideration, is going to charge it up to about 9-10 times. Now, before I round up this whole review video, I would like to say something that I noticed about this power bank. If you are using an iPhone and you want to use this Oraimo 50000 mAh power bank to charge it up, please note that it's going to charge up your iPhone within a short period of time from 0 to 80%. And when it gets to 80%, it's not going to charge it anymore. Reason is because the iPhones have this 80% optimized charging feature. So if you untoggle that from your battery settings, it's going to help you to boost it a little bit, but I'll say once it is 80%, it's not going to charge it more than that. It's just going to take a longer time to charge your iPhone. I don't know, maybe you understand this, but if you are using normal power supply, you are going to get your iPhone charge up to 100%. This is not the fault of the power bank. There's nothing wrong with the power bank. This is just a feature that is in your iPhone. This is just to help the battery to last longer, and that is just it. And if this video has helped you this far, please like and subscribe for more. Also, use the discount code showing right on your screen so that I can get 5% discount. I remember Babatunde Omotayo, and if you have any question, please drop it down there in the comment section. I'll see you on the next video showing right on your screen. Bye for now. Peace.